Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Honda Civic key battery. This is a straightforward task that you can easily do yourself in just a few minutes. First, you will need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and efficient, getting your key fob working perfectly again. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small indentation or slot, usually on the side where the physical key emerges. Take your small flathead screwdriver and gently insert its tip into this slot. With a slight twist or prying motion, the two halves of the key fob should begin to separate. Be careful not to use excessive force to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old battery. Take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is crucial for correct reinstallation. Gently remove the old CR2032 battery from its compartment. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it with the positive or plus side facing upwards, matching the orientation you observed. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, ensuring all the internal components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear and feel them click securely into place, forming a tight seal. Finally, take your newly reassembled key fob to your Honda Civic and test its functionality to ensure everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.